In 2011, Mamata Banerjee's party Trinamool Congress has created political history that BJP too could not ignore. In 2011, Mamata uprooted the left, which had been ruling Bengal for 34 years. After which the power of Bengal is in Mamata's hands. Mamata Banerjee has become the CM of Bengal twice in a row. But in the assembly elections due in 2021, BJP has spoiled Mamata's game. The BJP has started its efforts to penetrate Mamata's fort. Will Mamata be able to save her house? Will BJP be able to demolish Mamata's fort, who has been ruling for 10 years, or will it come to an end? Opinion poll is out now. According to opinion poll, Mamata is seen imposing hat trick in Bengal, while the BJP is seen strengthening its hold in Bengal. No matter how much the BJP put pressure, but in Bengal it is going to be the crowning of Mamata Banerjee. According to the survey by ABP News Sea Voter, Mamata Banerjee is returning once again in the state. Although the dates for the elections have not been announced yet, there is still a long time to go for the elections. In this case, the equation can change, but if we believe in the opinion polls, then Mamata is again returning to power. Seats ratio in West Bengal is like this. Total assembly seats 294, TMC 154 to 162 seats, vote percent 43%. BJP 98 to 106 seats, votes percentage 37.5%. Congress 26 to 34 seats, vote percentage 12. Other 6 seats.